Welcome to Shell's Sugar Rush, and if you've been here before, welcome back. Today, and in the spirit of Valentine's Day, we're going to be making some of the best cookies you will ever taste. If you're a strawberry lover, these are strawberry white chocolate chip cookies, and they are just a scrumptious treat and so easy to make. So let's get started and make some. So for our strawberry white chocolate cookies, you're going to need one box of strawberry cake mix, and I like to use the Moist Supreme cake mix, okay? You will need 2 large eggs, a half a cup of oil. You can use vegetable oil or canola. Canola is my preferred oil, so this is a half cup of canola oil, 1 cup of white chocolate chips, and of course, you'll need a bowl for mixing. I've got a spatula here and a cookie sheet or cooking sheet. And I have a piece of parchment paper that I'll put on this before I put my cookies down. And also, if you prefer, you can just scoop it with any kind of spoon, but I'll also be using my ice cream scoop that I need to grab because I like to make extra large cookies. So anyway, let's put it all together. So, of course, we put in our eggs and our oil. Now I'm going to mix, just pour in our cake mix there. And you're just going to mix that all together real good. And you want to keep mixing until you make sure you have everything broken up and your eggs are really good and incorporated in this. And of course, I've preheated my oven to 350 degrees in preparation for the cookies. There we go. And now we're going to just add in our chips, our white chocolate baking chips, and we're just going to fold those in. Okay, and I think they're incorporated pretty good. So I'm just going to take my piece of parchment paper and put it over my cookie sheet. And again, you can use any size scoop you like. It just depends on how large or small you want your cookies, but I'm using a large ice cream scoop because like I said, I like to make my cookies pretty big. And we'll just... and about like that, that's what I do. You know, if there's a little space in there, that's okay. Then I know I don't have too much. Okay. And you're just gonna spread these out on your cookie sheet. And I like to, you know, leave some space there between them because they are gonna spread out. And we might not get them all on one cookie sheet, and that's okay. We can go back and do a second tray. All right, so we got 9 on there, and I'm gonna go ahead and pop these in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, so now this is what we're looking for. You want them to be just, they don't quite look done, but they are. At this point, you want to go ahead and take them out because they're going to continue to settle and even, you know, even continue to bake a little bit more with the heat from that baking sheet. Okay, so we're going to take them out and put them on a cooling rack for a few minutes and let them cool. So here we go, you guys. Here are our cookies, and I'm going to just sit that there for a moment, and we'll give that a few minutes just to cool down. Once it's not so hot anymore, I'm going to just slide that parchment paper off onto the cooling rack so they can finish cooling. And you'll see them settle a little bit as they cool, but very nice size for a portion for someone. And like I said, this is just by far the quickest and easiest cookie recipe, and these cookies are so amazing. Please let me know if you try them. They're simple and really good. I get such great compliments on these, and like I said, thought it would be a great thing to show since we're right here before Valentine's. So if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future for more videos just like this. Thank you.